Hi, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps for claiming a Utilitech warranty. Let's dive in. All you have to do is visit our website to learn the procedure to claim your Utilitech warranty. We've compressed the Utilitech warranty claim procedure into 3 simple steps. In order to claim the warranty, you must read the outlined guidelines. Beneath the guidelines, contact information and useful links are provided. You can reach out to them via the phone number 888-775-6937, which is operational every day from 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. ET, or through live chat. Alternatively, you can click on the following link, www.lowes.com. At the beginning of their contact page, you can find answers to many questions under different topics. The contact information is mentioned at the bottom of the page. You can reach out to them via this number for warranty support. Over the phone, you will be asked to provide the order number to the customer support team. If your replacement is confirmed, they will provide the reference number. You can present this number at a Lowe's store to obtain your replacement. Before we conclude, remember that if you ever encounter difficulties or have questions about the warranty process, you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've assisted numerous customers before, and we're here to assist you too. I'm here to support you anytime.